Hello everyone, my name is CherifThiaw. I'm from Senegal in Africa. This video is a presentation of my final project of the CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python course from the Harvard University. The name of the project is Back from School. That's a kind of program that acts like an assistant which gonna help with your task after school.